How to use a winged corkscrew. In this video, I'll be showing you how to select the best winged corkscrew, the best method for removing the capsule, proper corkscrew placement so you don't break that cork, and how to use leverage to remove that cork like a pro. This is a winged corkscrew, aka a lever. It's a pretty simple corkscrew and not for restaurant use. Really, this is going to be something you're going to be using around the house. It's pretty casual. As you can see, it has some fun little lever arms that lift up. Very, very happy corkscrew opener. This actually really reminds me of Three's Company back in the 70s. This is something like Jack Tripper would use to impress the girls, you know, having a fancy wine opener. But they're still very popular, actually. So let's jump in and figure out the best winged corkscrew that we can find. There's several features about this winged corkscrew that I really like. First and foremost, it's pretty heavy duty. It's made of like a zinc alloy. It's not stainless steel, which would be better, but that's a little bit more expensive generally. Nice feature about this one is the extra gripping that it offers on the wing tips. As well as a really important feature is, see the center shaft here? This is all one piece. Sometimes you see these where they're fused kind of in the middle, and that's usually a point where they break. A lot of these are also really cheap metal or plastic even. This also has a nice bottle opener as well for other beverages. It has a very sharp point here as well, which you really have to be careful of. It's pretty sharp, it'll cut you. The screw size here is a decent size. It should work on most corks. You may have an issue with some longer corks and you may have to apply the leverage twice. We'll talk about that later. This winged corkscrew was a great find for only $10 on Amazon. The link for current pricing is down below in the comment section. So with the winged corkscrew, when it comes to removing the capsule here, this unfortunately does not have a blade. So because this is casual, you're not at a restaurant, I've seen people attempt to make a cut with this here, and it's really, it's kind of messy. Doesn't look good, and it's dangerous as well. So once again, we're going to just remove the capsule by just doing the twist and pull. So now we've removed the capsule, and we're ready to line up the cork. Okay, this is a critical part here where a lot of people make mistakes. We really need to aim this screw in the center of the cork here, and we don't want to do it by holding this over it and just hoping that it goes in the center. This is how most corks break when they're using this device. Instead, what we want to do is put the arms down. We want to aim this, keep your arms closed here, just hold them together, and just line it up and aim it right in the middle. And you can actually kind of just start it right there, okay? Then we're going to hold the arms together just to keep it securely in place, and we're going to gently just turn clockwise while gently pushing down, and you can see as you're doing that the corkscrew gets happier and the arms start to lift up and you're in. Now all we need to do is simply push down on the levers at the same time and watch the cork pull up. Now at this point, if you can see, the cork here is still fairly deep in the bottle. What we're going to have to do is, rather than pull it up at this time, we're going to continue to screw down. Go a little bit further. The arms will go up again, and then we just get it out a little bit more, and it should ease right up. Okay? And that way it went all the way through. Removing the cork is pretty straightforward. All you want to do is just grab onto the cork here and just twist it right off. If you have any questions about this video, please, I'd love to hear from you down in the comments section below. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And hey, in the next video, let's see how fast I can open up a bottle of wine with an electric corkscrew. It's going to be pretty cool. See you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.